Thanks for tuning in. My name is Elke Hoffman and I'm your host of today's episode. With the new Leica BLK360 imaging laser scanner, Matterport and Multivista are creating new solutions for the AEC industry. By integrating the Leica BLK360 imaging laser scanner and Matterport's end-to-end automated reality capture platform as a full-service offering from Multivista construction documentation, the possibilities are endless. Here to tell us more about this innovation is John Trollybach of Matterport, hello.
Hello.
And Brian Smith of Multivista. Thank you for joining us. So Brian and John, can you tell us more about what Matterport and Multivista are doing?
You bet. Multivista is a construction documentation company that was started in 2003 to service the AEC industry, architects, engineers, owners, and general contractors by providing a solution that solves the problem of lack of good coherent construction documentation. They provide on-site services to collect that data, as well as a collaborative web-based environment to support all that data in one spot. Multivista provides services to over 70 global markets throughout the world, and it includes photogrammetry, UAV, webcams, and reality capture. The professional construction documentation by Multivista is all trained experts that go out on site. They coordinate all aspects of the actual documentation with the owners and engineers. It's very difficult to get this exact right timing. So this interaction at the site level is key to make sure that we collect the right quality imagery at the right time with the right equipment. And Multivista's traditional background was based off of 2D photography. And dovetailing off of that and building off of that, we've got all these new offerings with UAVs, webcam, video, and now our latest offering is Sitewalk 360 that includes Matterport. And this is a big breakthrough for us because now we're growing this depth and we're getting this dimensional aspect to our product offering that allows the immersive environment so people can visualize it, but also provides valuable 3D assets in the point cloud deliverable. The AEC industry's really been driving the industry to get us with more collaborative, immersive environment, and Matterport provides us with that solution set. So whether we go out and collect it with a Matterport camera or a BLK360, we're able to take that data and serve it up in one spot on our servers for our clients to be able to access in unified one source, so everybody is able to work from one set of construction documentation.
We already heard that you're collaborating, so what is it exactly that Matterport is doing?
Yeah, Matterport is an immersive media technology company delivering end-to-end solutions focused on creating, modifying, distributing, and navigating virtual reality representations of real-world environments. We've seen a fairly substantial adoption in the real estate market. A lot of home tours are Matterport models, and now with the focus in the AEC space with a partnership like Multivista's, we're seeing quick adoption in construction industries, and we're really excited about the future in AEC.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your end-to-end automated reality capture distribution platform?
Yeah, so when we talk about the end-to-end platform at Matterport, we're really talking about three things. The first thing is the capture, and that's a iPad-based application that runs on an iPad, and it allows customers to capture spaces with either the Pro 2 camera today, and in the future the BLK360. It's a really simple, intuitive interface that allows customers to capture the environment quickly and efficiently. From the capture application, we go into our vision pipeline. So the data is uploaded to the Matterport cloud, we process it, we put all of that information together, again making it really easy for customers to take advantage of some of the 3D information. And then we present that through our Matterport Cloud Workshop that allows customers to interact with that data. So they can be in it, it's immersive, I can communicate, I can collaborate with stakeholders on the project, I can measure, And then finally, we can export that information out to some different packages that the end users are using, depending on what it is they're doing, whether that's imagery for documentation or point cloud information for as-building.
Thank you. Brian, can you tell us more about Multivista's construction documentation, please?
You bet. It's the construction documentation really begins with the on-site services. We either will be using a reality capture device like the Matterport Pro 2 camera or a Leica camera or a Leica BLK360, but we have professionals that go out and collect that data and they schedule it with the owners and general contractors to make sure we get that exact data at the right time. Then we bring that data back in-house and we process that data so that the end users can find their data, their construction documentation in their project so that they can use it in a collaborative web-based environment. Providing the SiteWalk 360 and the Matterport immersive viewing, it allows our end users to share the immersive experience that you wouldn't be able to normally see. It allows people to visualize difficult spaces. It allows people to really essentially be there on site without having to be there. It's a communication tool that a standard photography just doesn't capture.
So to both of you, what made you all decide on a partnership together?
Yeah, for us, for Matterport, partnering with Multivista was really an easy decision to make. Multivista's viewed as the leader in the construction documentation space. They've got, I think Brian mentioned, presence in a lot of places around the world. And so it was really an opportunity for us to partner with a leader in the industry and leverage that experience and knowledge to, one, bring Matterport into the construction documentation space, but to also have a partner like Multivista to help us determine where we're going in the future. Input from the professionals that they have at Multivista is invaluable when it comes to applications, ideas, uses, and they're going to really help us drive the direction of where the development goes for the Matterport solution.
Yeah, and I gotta say that the communication this has been a beginning of a relationship that started years ago, before my time working here, and it's always been an opportunity that Multivista has seen as an amazing data capture device that's fast, that is something that's very reliable, it's user-friendly, and for our franchise distribution model, it's very easy for us to educate our owners and our service guys to go out and capture this quality data in a replicatable model. That alone is just the beginning of what set the stage for us to build this partnership. And as we've gotten through the idea of what we can do with what we have right now, it's the future of where we're going, like these partnerships with Leica and the BLK, to begin to integrate and break down some of these opportunities where we can leverage different devices. And having Matterport software be that medium of consuming this and us being able to distribute it, it's really amazing to see where we're going to be able to take this in the future. There's a lot of opportunity with software development and road mapping that really the end user's going to benefit from our type of collaboration together.
So John, why did Matterport decide to use the Leica BLK360 in the new application?
Yeah, again, no-brainer, right? You see the BLK360, it was pretty revolutionary in terms of what it is for laser scanning. It's the smallest, lightest, maybe the simplest to use laser scanner on the market, and so it fit really well with who we are and what we're all about. And so it's just an opportunity to combine the simple use of the BLK360 with the simplicity of the Matterport platform, the capture app and the vision pipeline and feeding that information in. So it was a really great opportunity and a perfect starting point for us.
And Brian, what impact will the integration of the BLK360 have on Multivista's SiteWalk 360 service?
Since SiteWalk 360 is this environment for being able to view all of your immersive data, this allows our field services to be able to utilize two different cameras now, a camera and a laser scanner, to choose which one of these will provide the best outcome. So it allows us to provide a better end service to our customer. So whether it's they're wanting to have better data, maybe more range, different aspects allow them to pursue the right tool for the right job. And this will only allow us to create better data sets, more richer environments, and the end user ultimately will be wanting to use this experience more and more in the future.
Just to add to what Brian said, you know, the Pro 2 camera and the BLK360 are very complementary with each other. And we, like Brian described, we envision users using both and taking advantage of those two technologies. We kind of describe it as the right tool for the job and giving our customers the flexibility to utilize both technologies.
So you've already mentioned the benefits for the end users, the future outlook of your cooperation. Where do you think this partnership take the industry in the future?
Yeah, I think from Matterport's perspective, it hints at where we're going in the idea of opening up our platform. And we talked a little bit about it, you know, having a partner like Multivista to help us figure out where to go with some of those partnerships. I think is a really good opportunity. And a great example of that is the Sitewalk 360 integration with the Matterport models and tours, and for users to be able to jump back and forth between their 2D plan sets and that 3D immersive environment. So opening up the platform both on the back end with some of the software applications, but also on the front end. So Multivista was a key part of us opening up on the BLK360 and have been involved in those discussions and making sure that we're going to do that integration correctly.
Yeah, the AEC industry is very, it's growing very, very fast, and to be able to provide richer data sets, it helps the industry be more efficient, more effective, and be more productive by being able to communicate in a sense that a 2D set of plans just doesn't do. And the future of what we can do with Matterport and combining these immersive walkthroughs and the 3D data that comes out of it, it's a win-win for architects, engineers, and general contractors. And for us to be able to collaboratively define that roadmap together with the resources and our different backgrounds, it's really exciting to see where we're going to go.
That's certainly a great development, and we'll look forward to seeing where it goes. John, Brian, thank you very much for your insights. For more information about Matterport, please visit matterport.com. For more about Multivista, please visit multivista.com. And if you'd like to watch further episodes, please go to hxgntv.com. Thanks for watching.